What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. This Matrix Resurrections themed rig comes from Stefan Ulrich, who together with Digital Storm created this amazing rig that they're calling the Backup Operator.
Hi, I'm Stefan Ulrich from Random Design. I'm here to talk about the Backup Operator. I got approached by NVIDIA to promote the new Warner Brothers movie, The Matrix Resurrections. I teamed up with Digital Storm to work on a concept, and it was our idea to create a PC that could actually exist in the Matrix universe. So we took design ideas from the interior of the Nebuchadnezzar to create our backup operator, which should function as a backup system if the real operator is out of order. So for this project I started with the Eventum X case from Digital Storm. I took all the measurements and transferred them into a 3D model. Based on that model I decided how to build those parts and made all the adjustments. So I cut away some aluminum and prepared the case for the wooden shell that should fit around later on. I wanted to create an industrial-like look, so the mountings for the keyboards are made out of extruded aluminum profiles. I used the same profiles to change the position of the radiators. I put them outside the case in a slight angle. For the fans, I created fan covers in the design of the head jack. I 3D printed them and then I made a mold and casted them in resin. Because I wanted to make it look like real metal, I used a technique called cold cast, where you use real aluminum powder, which is polished after the casting. I included all the functions of the actual operating space, like multiple monitors, different plugs and cables to connect everything, and of course the data probe. For the data probe, I made a 3D model, which I then 3D printed. After assembling the different parts, I painted everything in a silver tone, and to create a more used and weathered look, I applied multiple layers of black and brown wash. To get a connection to the new Matrix movie, I took the design of the new White Rabbit and put it as a highlight directly onto the front of the case. To match the iconic Matrix color scheme and digital rain, I used green LED lights. For the connectors on top, I created small resin casted inserts that are tinted green and put an LED light inside. For other light effects like the Digital Storm logo and the data ports on the side, I used green acrylic glass with an LED backlight. As another reference to the Nebuchadnezzar, I recreated the name plaque using the exact same font as in the original. I used again the cold cast technique with aluminum powder. To make it less shiny and more used, I weathered it. For the name tag Backup Operator on the front, I used the same font, plotted it on vinyl and put it on an acrylic sheet. Along with the Eventum X case comes the ROG Maximus Crosshair motherboard with a Ryzen 9 processor. We also have 32GB of memory, a 1TB M.2 storage and a power supply from EVGA. The highlight of the backup operator is the GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics card. Both the graphics card and CPU are cooled by custom-made water cooling built with parts from EK Water Blocks.
Stefan, you did a great job. I love the idea of a portable machine that they would use in the movie, especially since it seems they're always on the run. And to be able to jack back into the Matrix on the go seems like a no-brainer. If you guys enjoyed this type of video and would like to see more, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you for the next one.